Are we out? Are we live? Are we out here? Seems to be. So welcome back, boys and girls and non-binary design homies. How yous doing? We're on cup of coffee number 2, which is fitting because we're also on day number 2 of designing this IKEA web app from a Sharpen Prompt. So let's kind of just really quickly recap what we did yesterday. We had 3 wireframes, which is, I get it, is an astoundingly low number of wireframes. But we came up with a cool, like, the idea I want, anyways, is to have a scrolly wheel. Like, we're gonna turn this into, like, a gambling app. But there's no risk. Everybody wins. And it's basically like one of those, shit, what company was it? It's like Macy's, maybe, that would give chocolates at the door. And inside the wrapper of every chocolate bar was a coupon for like 15% off, up to like 30% off or something like that. So, you know, everybody got a discount. Some people got more, but nobody lost, you know? Like, that's kind of the system we're trying to build here. Sorry, a sip of coffee to keep my mind on track. Wireframe 3 got the most love and attention because I feel like it's the most fun. But while we're going here, we're gonna try to keep our shit pretty clean. I'd love to stay organized. What we need to do before we move too far is name all of these colors and then create styles for all of these colors. And then similarly, I need to name all of these shadows that we have grouped. These are all very slightly different, as you can see. Like, these are same dimensions, but the blur is different. So every 2 are gonna say, like, have the same dimensions for shadow, with a 5% decrease on the second one of the opacity layer. Or not layer, but of the shadow, the opacity of the shadow. So these 2 are the same. This one has a lower shadow percentage. These 2 are the same. These 2 are the same. These 2 are the same in terms of spread and location. So that's how we have it. We have not made styles of those either, but that would be really helpful. So we're gonna name this one 1. This one's gonna be 8. Make those styles. We're using an old IKEA logo from the 60s because our prompt says use a lot of purple. And design-wise, I feel like yellow, that primary yellow and blue, those very, I guess, yellows. Sure, primary blue and yellow. But, yeah, they wouldn't mix with our palette very well. And this isn't a component or anything. I had downloaded Blob, the plugin, yesterday morning, and I just kind of wanted to play around with creating height. So height is something that I'm going to be really focusing on in this, because I've never really messed with height too much, you know? I add drop shadows to buttons for click states and things like that, but as far as like non-interactive elements, I really haven't played too much with height. So this one, you know, the goal was to make it look like that first big bold text was cut through and you could see the layer below it. And this is same with the very background. Everything's cut out behind it. Cut out. But yeah, that was kind of the goal. I'm not going to use that exact blob or anything. I just kind of wanted to play with the idea of height. So that's in there for me to just look at and be like, right, shadows, height, play around with difference, stuff like that. So again, just to drive this home, this is not going to get used. I think that's really tacky. But I think that it is a fun idea, and if we're playing with height, it could do some cool stuff with us, with our project and that. So that's where we're at right now. I would like to do this first Start off pretty chill, just naming some colors. I bet you the internet already has color names for these. I can just plop those hex codes in. Let's see what happens if I open this up and drag this over. Maybe make it smaller. We don't need a giant Chrome window up in here. Oh, that's probably fine. So we'll say color names by hex. Find the name of the color you love. Thank you, the internet. Okay, so I want to search for all of these colors. Control C. And then actually add a line below that. And let's plop that into our hex. Control V. What color is this? Go, search. Oh, you have to hit American purple. Okay. So let's drag this down. And we're gonna say that this is fixed. Not auto width, auto height, fixed size, yeah. And then, is there not a hug for that one? Okay. So this is American purple. There we go. That was the one I was looking for. Delete that. American purple. Let's change this to just regular. How is that semi-bold? I said regular, right? That's good. I like that. So we'll use that. Drag all these over here. And, yeah. This should work. Center. There we go. One more and then we can copy all four and that'll be way faster. Would it though? Because I can't. We'll center it in a second. Okay, cool. So that worked. American purple. That was our first one. What is this next one? I kind of dislike that you can't just hit enter there. You have to click that search thing. Regalia. That's fun. That's fun. I like that. So then this is not American purple. This one is. Let's find out. Cadmium violet. I just select that and paste. Control C. Oh my god, that's so much easier. We're hacking the system over here. This one's just violet. Wow. I'm not gonna argue with that. Medium orchid. Okay, okay. I can't wait until we come across like a color name that's like Archduke Franz Ferdinand or something, and it's like way taller than I've allowed myself space. Okay, that looks centered to me, I guess. These last four are not centered on the circle, so I need to kind of remember to do that as we're going. This is, what is it called? Bright Lilac! Wait a minute. Can you do that? You're not supposed to... Huh. Huh. Is it not just gonna show me? Come on. I guess that's like the same exact size as that. Weird. Okay, so EAD. Sheesh! I can't talk today. Or read. This is gonna be a tough job. Oh, I'm interested on this one though. Oh, right, you can't hit enter. Platinum. That's a really interesting color name for like a really pinky, purpley light color. Platinum. Cool. Sounds good to me. Not gonna argue hex color names. All right, cultured. I like it. All right. So those are our color names. Are these grouped? They are not. Control G. That's right. We were gonna wait and name them. American Purple. Control C. This is gonna be crazy. Here we go. Add that color. American Purple. Create a color style. Now, all we have to do if we want to reuse that color is click on the little 4 squares if it wasn't already selected, and then pick American Purple and we're good to go. I love that. So Control C on that. Select all of these. Group. This is going to be named Regalia. We're going to select just this. Go over here. One more time. Add a color style. Regalia again. Bada bing, bada boom. Now the hardest part is going to be remembering all of our color names. Was it cadmium violet or violet? Cadmium violet. There we go. And then we want to make that a color style. No, I did it wrong. So add that and then the plus sign. Bada bing. You're turning violet. Violet? Add another color style. Yes, we will. Medium orchid. Awesome. So then what am I doing? Add style. V medium orchid, and our group is called medium orchid. All right. Already. Control C. Nice. You can see, like, visually, I feel like when the caffeine in my body starts to dip and I just stare at the screen with those, like those possum eyes from the Fantastic Mr. Fox. Give me some sort of sign that you can hear me. All right. So we have that, and we have that. Yep, okay, group. Did I copy paste? I did. Hell yeah, bud. Stay on top of it. One of those colors is still... Sheesh, I gotta go in there and change that. Actually, I don't need to change that. I don't know. Black is fine for my style guide, I think. Because I might use black. I might. So we did this one. That one's already named Bright Lilac. Yes. We'll probably, well, I say probably. I don't even know if we'll use white. We may just use... Okay, that is way off. You're way off, kid. There we go. That's where we want it. Bada bing. That one's good. Add that color style, bada bing. And then lastly, we have cultured. Oh, that one's not aligned either. Woo! Close one. We really almost ruined everything right there. All right, last style made. Here we go. So let's see here. Is there a way to see colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I should have 8, right? Did I not get bright lilac in there? I didn't. Add that one. Bright lilac. Okay, now we have color styles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And can I drag that one up to like right there? Yeah, I can. I don't know if that's necessary dragging it up, but visually for me it helps. So we have all of those named. I love it. I love it. We have color styles for all of them. Took no time at all. Now to go in and name our little shadows over here. Oh, those are two different things, aren't they? I guess I could just drag this one down. Or this one. Let's do... Shit, are those... That's just one. Why did you do that? So we're gonna do this. Come over here. Oh, you know what? Let's start on this side. Call this number 1. Can I do number signs though? Let's see here. Shadow 01. $32. Center. There we go. We're so close. There it is. Okay, making sure that was in the right spot. All right, we could start there, but I'm gonna go back over here. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Six. Come on now. 7. And 8. Cool, 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 cool. It's gonna be shadow. Group. So then in here, we're gonna go down to shadow. No, we're gonna find our circle. There it is, drop shadow. And we're gonna call this, oh, no. We gotta create it first. Effect style, shadow 08. Create style. Shadow 07, create style. Shadow 06, create style. Shadow 05. Or 3. We're getting there. Shadow 02, and then this last one obviously gonna be Shadow 01. Okay, so then let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We did it. Yes. All right. So we have effect styles, we have color styles. We don't yet have text styles or type. Font styles, I don't know what the term there is. Text font, typeface. That's looking pretty clean so far. I'm liking that. Liking that system. Sans Pro. Let's see. I doubt it has started now, but let's. Oh, holy shit. Do I only have the bold? And I can't really change the edit, or like... No, I have reg. Huh, okay. I do have all of the Mr. Eves fonts, but those are complicated. I don't know why they're set up like that and not like this where, you know, all of them are in that same folder and then I can choose all of my stuff from here. It just seems like it's packaged very weird as a font. Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, so what we want to do now, we have all of our shadows listed and named over there. So I'm looking at this. Let's build a just like a weird color wheel component. And see what happens. So let's see here. These are prizes. I kind of want to copy that. Just let me scroll. Paste it here. What on earth is this? This is nuts. I have no idea. Oh, those are okay. This I don't need. I don't need this. I don't think I need prize shadow. 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I feel like these two should be swapped. Maybe not. No, they should. They definitely should. Okay, so that's our prizes background thing. So what if we'll fix this in a minute. Or we'll just copy everything over to our other thing. So this is prizes. I wonder if there's a way to put something over this without it becoming part of the auto layout. So I do want that. And then I kind of want to close these. Close this. I think I'm gonna drag this down. All right, I want this, that. Come on, give me prizes. I don't know why it won't grab this whole. I can't grab that one. I can grab that one. That's fucking weird. All right. No clue why. Oh, not that. One more, and then I think we'll be good. So then we'll grab, like, literally all of this shit. And then control auto layout that. This is gonna be long with 3 G's. Prize wheel. Seems right. I don't know. We'll give it a go. So we want it to be like kind of like that. Yeah. And then clip content. Actually, yeah, clip content. Go to prototype, allow vertical scrolling. Actually, I don't know if I actually want vertical scrolling. Let's say no scrolling. And then what I want is to create a component out of this. Then I want to make a variant out of this. And I want the variant to be like aligned at the bottom, I think. Oh, we're outside of the bounds here. So I'm gonna drag. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I want to prototype. And I want this to turn to this. Let's do it on click. It doesn't matter. I'll do. Actually, let's do a button press. And I'm gonna set it to S. Just so you know, well, you can hit scroll. Because I don't want it to fire immediately. Okay, so now we're gonna go to design. We're gonna go over here, drag this over. This should do, who knows? That's fine. Drag this over. And really what I wanna do is fucks with this. I want this to be there we go, prizes. Oh, I was hitting the wrong button. Delete those. I think I wanted these to be like pretty. Want that to be absolute. And wait. And this to be absolute too, right? Alright, so we want this guy to be like top corner. Where the hell are we? Prize border is way up there. We need it down here. Why are these like that? Oh, what if we take off? Remove auto layout. That's probably my problem. So I want prize border down at the bottom. I want prize shadow right behind it. Right inside it. There we go. I want rectangle 9. We're gonna call that prize opacity. So now we have that. I can probably, oh no I can't, okay. It's alright. That's fine. So I like that there. Then if I put long prize wheel back in here, is there a way to Why is that like that? Oh, is that just a... Let me instance swap this for variant 2. No, it didn't. Variant 1. Huh. So that is the layer I want that to... Okay, wait a minute. That's right. That's right. Is this opacity layer just like way too high? 75%. Let's drop it down to 50. Okay. That's actually closer to what we want. Let's see here. And then do I have this set to ease in, ease out? That's the one thing I need to know before we get going here. Ease, no, I fucking don't. Okay, so smart animate, ease in and out. Ease in and out. Back, ease in and out. Back? I don't know what that means. Alright, so this could get weird. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Actual size? No way that's actual size. Okay, so let's see if this works, you guys. What I'm expecting to happen is this to start behind everything, start scrolling very slowly, speed up really fast, and then stop on our lightest color. I see now I forgot to do something. I want this to take like 3 seconds. 4 seconds. Let's see what happens. That was my bad. My bad. Went way too fast. How is that 100%? What are you talking about? I think that's pretty sweet. I do think it would be cooler to flip it. Let's see here. Let's do it to where it's not from this side. It is from this side. We go there to there. On click, we change to that. Smart animate. Let's make it even slower, like 6 seconds. People are gonna freak out. And then come over here. Let's find long prize wheel. Oh, you know what? We can just, I don't have to copy that. We'll just do that. There we go. All right. So then close this, open it. Well, look at this. Okay, 1920 by 1080. That's crazy. That's the same dimensions as my monitor. 5%. Okay, that's probably just, yeah, okay. That varies depending on where I'm at. I've never noticed that before. Let's try this. Did I set it to... I set it to click. Oh, that is so much smoother. Let's set it to a full, like, 10 seconds. Did I just... I just closed Figma. Tried to close the prototype window and just close the whole damn thing. I'm amazing. Let's all take a sip of coffee. Do this in remembrance of me. Okay, so prototype again. I want to set this to not on click, but just like a key. I'm going to set it to S for scroll. I like it. Then we're going to come over here. Oh, we're going to change this to a full 10 seconds instead of 6. 6 is close. I bet 8 would do the trick, but I want to add a full 10 to it and see where we're at. It's not that big. What are you talking about? Okay, so this is our weird mock-up, and this one, I think it should work most correct. Let's see. Starts off slow. Oh, it's flying. It's flying. It's really moving now. It's slowing down. It's slowing down. It's slowing down. It's slowing down. It's, oh, it picked it. What did you win? Okay, so now I'm trying to think. We could do like an after delay kind of thing. I still want to get this opaque. Let's see, where's that? Let's try 75 again. I'm gonna have to restart it, aren't I? 'Cause oh, you know what it is? I know what it is. It's that giant ass square that we have rotated in there. I don't have it like masked out. It's just like behind the frame, so I bet you that is what it is. Fit width. That's better, I suppose. Let's see what happens. What if we did turn that square though? Just like 20 degrees. 15 degrees. 10 degrees. Is that too much? I feel like I do kind of like the wilder angle. 20 might be my... That's alright. It's okay. What if we kind of flip this? What if we make that or let's do cultured at 75%. I can't even see through that. Oh, that's because it's not at 75%. We're gonna change the square color to grab that. Oh. We're gonna grab that. And then we're gonna turn that into our color like that. There we go. Maybe add, you know what? We didn't add interior shadows like we did. That's okay. We can we can make it happen. Inner shadow. We want that to be like 6. Whoa! What are you doing? Let's do the largest ones. We're gonna do 16 by 8. I'm not sure that's actually the ticket. Let's see, zoom in a little bit more. It doesn't look as pronounced as I would like it to. Maybe we leave that at 8. That's better. And 4. See what that looks like. Okay, now that it's at 60%, let me see what. 12 and 6. Is that even too much? Maybe I just want the 12 blur and 4. So let's say we want that to be like 4 and 4. That's probably good. Or 4 and 2. And we definitely want it to be at like 50%. And then I think I want it to be platinum. It's not that much different, but and then let's actually take that off. Let's see here. So what did we do there? We did like 12 and 4. 12 and 4, yeah. So 12, 4, and 60%. We'll do 8 and 4, I guess, on that one. At 50%. Oh, that's too much, I think, maybe. Four and 2 at 50%. That's not bad. Let's try that up here, honestly. Still looks like too much. 4 and 2. Six and 2 might be the golden number right there. I like that. 6 and 2. Let's come back down here. Try 6 and 2. 6. 2. Hell yeah, that looks nice. Oh, you know, we forgot to change these over to, what color were we gonna go with? We'll go with that for now. We could probably decrease the opacity there or something. So... 6 and 2. And then the small ones, actually, I don't think they need that inner shadow, but I would like them to be that color, I do believe. Or even a stranger color. Let's see here. Something that pops. No. Something that pops. That doesn't really pop either, does it? We don't have any poppy colors. I wonder... What if those were different colors? No, that's too dark. It's still too muddy. So it's gonna have to be... It's gonna have to be our light color. How would we make that other text look better, different? What did you win? Alright, I can't spend all day just staring at the same screen, you know? So what if we switch it up? Let's move these over to each other so we can kind of see the difference. We could put a fill image behind that, and then maybe that would make that stand out a little bit more. I don't know. So those are our two, let's see here. Light, dark, which we're not really going for a light mode, dark mode thing. We're just looking at our options here for which one is gonna be our main page. I kind of like the lighter version better than the darker, but we can still play around with it. I'm not super sold on anything one way or the other. What is this D9? There we go. Oh wait, no, I needed that D9. I just need it to be multiply? Yeah, and it's not. Huh, why is it not? Whatever, it's not really working right now, but that's alright. It worked in the prototype, I do believe. Or have we even tried that one in prototype? Let's see here. How are we gonna handle... We need to develop a way to get to this page, I suppose. We also need a button to start the spinner. We could do everything on delays to trigger on delay. On delay. But that's just not gonna make any sense contextually because we haven't built anything yet, huh? So well, why don't we build something and then talk about how we'll transition to and from it? How about that? We'll start practically. We'll start practically. Okay. Got that e-cig go refilled. Let's see here. So we're gonna create a new frame. Presentation, of course. Drag this guy way over here. We're gonna say his name is Deal Wheel. I was kind of toying around with the idea of having this giant square be in the actual, like, screen before it, I guess, so that we could do a transition to a screen similar where it just, like, slides over and reveals the wheel. Let's fucking prototype it. So we're gonna grab this, drag it up. I'm gonna drag this over to here. Let's see here. I actually want the tip of that to be we'll go maybe just, oh shit, maybe just a little bit higher than that. I want it to be like right there and then over a lot. Okay. Shit. All right, let's just make a real fast button over here. We're gonna call this transition button. Then we're gonna make that an auto layout. We're gonna make that an auto layout. We're gonna say that there's like 32 pixels on either side of it. 10 pixel, 12 pixels, 12 pixels above and below it. We'll make it a 16, why not? And then round some edges. If it is 92 high, then let's make it just 50, that's fine. Fill it with purple. And then maybe make the text color looks good to me. Let's center that. We're gonna say prototype. We're gonna click that over to, this is frame, yep. On click, navigate to Smart Animate. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Before I do that, let's drag this button up. So then, honestly, we need to get rid of all of this stuff. Just slide that all the way over. Where is center? No, you're not. Oh, what the hell? Come on, just visually center. There we go. Hey, that'll do. That's fine. So now we have in prototype, that goes over there. Let's look at this. Because we want it to smart animate, not instant, smart animate. And we want it to take like 2 seconds to do that, maybe. Let's try 2 seconds. And that's on click. On click. Great. Okay, so prototype. God damn. There we go. Transition button. What happened? Why didn't that just... Huh, because like the... Oh, wait. Yeah, why are you there? That's fucking weird. So in wireframe 6... There we go. Okay, let's try that again because that happened weird. And I think we fixed it. So that works better. That works better. Let's... Let's drag this guy out. And again, come in here and then delete all of this. And I just want to see that animation again. It's ease in and out, right? Ease out, ease in and out. Let's try it. Let's try it. Oh my goodness, why? Even though I already think I know why, but... want that to be dissolve. I want it to be like 300 milliseconds. And then I want this hidden. And then I want after 500 milliseconds on delay, after delay, I want this to smart animate over to that in like 1500 seconds. And after a delay of 500 milliseconds. So let's see what that looks like. Close that. Reopen this prototype. We're gonna move this to this. Start there. So now what we should see is we click the button dissolves, and then after the dissolve, the screen kind of curtain opens up. And let's see what happens. Look at that! That's class. That's pure class. I want to watch it one more time because that is very nice. That's really nice. Oh, wish I could fix that to not happen. But that would involve a layer mask, and I'm just unwilling to do it, you know? That is so sweet. Okay, so I'm just gonna watch it one more time because it's beautiful. Is it finished? Not at all. But is it working in a way that I think is perfect for what we're trying to do? Yes. Yes, it is. That is gorgeous. It's funny how like simple that animation is, but I'm just like, yes, I could weep. I need more coffee for sure. If I'm not gonna break down in tears every time like a simple animation happens, so let me go get caffeinated. If you're out of coffee or you're running low, you should go get some. You should do it. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Oh, more coffee. Just what the designer ordered. All right. Should we look at it one more time because it's just exactly what I was going for? Let's do it. Let's do it. Now that I have coffee, I can appreciate it even more. Perfect. It's perfect. Okay, so let's elaborate on this. Let's eliminate, actually, let's not eliminate the thing just yet, but let's make these two closer together. And then probably duplicate both of them again. Do I have enough space for that? That's amazing. Okay. Let's bring this down. We can keep it centered on the page. That's not centered. What the hell? What are you trying to do to me, Figma? Oh, that's lining up with like something else. So let's say we want big ass text right here. It says introducing. Why isn't it? Oh, it's in prizes. Why is it in prizes? I want it on outside of prizes. Introducing. Bring that way the hell over here. I hate how bad this rectangle skews everything. It's so funny. It's so funny. I just need to make a layer mask, I think. I think I'm gonna have to if I want this to work as perfectly as it does. I might just do it at the very end. Let's see. Well, I'm gonna group this. There we go. Add a rectangle inside here that's 1920 by 1080. Wait, where's that? Okay. My selected rectangle. I did make a new rectangle, right? The fuck did it go? Is it way up here? Where the hell is it? Wait, is that... No? Nope. We'll just call this... That's text, button, thing, prizes that I don't even care if they're there, but they need to be, I guess. So then... If I do this again, I'm gonna try to make a rectangle. It puts it in prizes. I want it to be... Is that what happened in my last one? Rectangle 13. I just want you to be like outside of everything. It's in the very back. 1920 or 1920. Tab 1080. Let's try this again. Stop! It's perfect. Okay. So then we have everything in this group. What if I layer mask this? Now? Okay. Perfect! We can have that in the middle. We can have that in the middle. Why does that want to happen? I'm holding the right button, right? Oh man, that freaking auto layout thing is just gonna be an asshole. Introducing Whoa, I'm sorry. Is there another one? I don't think so. The IKEA deal wheel. So I want this to be like 72 maybe. 72, let's try it. The IKEA deal wheel. Just, are we not in the same? How are we not in the same? Let's do those in that. Fuck it. There we go. Introducing the IKEA deal wheel. Um There we go. We're gonna say, take a spin. Heck, take 10 spins. Everybody wins. Okay, we don't want it to be that wide. Let's say we shorten it to like Even less than that, probably. There's no way that's the middle. Come on, why does it do that? There we go, maybe. That's not what we said. You shut up. The IKEA deal wheel. Website. Which, when you really think about it, it's this whole thing a big fun waste of my time. We're gonna do a sad face with a tear, or a happy face with a tear. And this is just, you know, for kicks, just for kicks. We're gonna make this 32. We're gonna make it semi-bold. Yeah, probably semi-bold. Let's try regular just to see. Just to see. Regular, I think, is a little bit too... Maybe not. I'm gonna do a 1% space. I'm gonna take that away. That's fine, yeah. No! Control Z. There we go. Let's see here. I'm gonna drag this down. No, not into auto layout, you fool! You fool! Gotta be getting close. Okay, I missed it somehow. This is nuts. Why is this so nuts? There we go. To learn more and spin the wheel for yourself. On this button right here. You can't miss it. It's the purple one right below. I think it says something like transition button. Yeah, click that. Okay, so then we're gonna drag that down a little bit. Maybe not quite as far. We're gonna make this a little bit smaller. How much space we got between these two? Why can it not see this element here? So we have introducing. Where's take a spin? Where's take a spin? Oh, that's probably why. 99. Let's make it 96. And is this really centered? Why does this look so goofy? Let's see, 128 maybe? Actually, then let's make it... Wow! Really held down the gas. No, let's make that even closer to that. 64. 32. Introducing the IKEA deal wheel. Take a spin. Heck, take 10 spins. Everybody wins with the IKEA deal wheel. Find incredible deals on last chance items, and if you don't win what you'd hoped, you can find all these deals on our website, which, when you really think about it, makes this whole thing a big fun waste of my time. To learn more and spin the wheel for yourself, click on this button right here. You can't miss it. It's the purple one right below. I think it says something like transition button. Yeah, click that. Okay, so you click that, and you get another blank frame here. So then that frame, after a delay, is gonna fade into this. And I almost just want to copy pasta some stuff over here. So let's see here. Control C. Forget about it. Forget about it. Control V. So what could you win on the IKEA deal wheel? Question mark? Let's see here. Let's see, what are we gonna say here? What could you win? Let's see here. Always making room for new items in our showrooms? You call them that? In our showrooms? Sure. We're always making room for new items in our showrooms, which unfortunately means we have to get rid of. I don't want to say that. IKEA deal wheel. I'm gonna put a trademark on that. A copyright. IKEA deal wheel. Is full wonderful, wonderfully discounted items that will no longer be available for will no longer be available in the near future. Let's see here. Choose a category and a color scheme that matches your desired aesthetic, or set it to any. So, I don't know how else to say that. Category, a color scheme, and should we even say? Yeah, I'm not even gonna say and a price tier. Maybe we don't have the price tier. That kind of could be a turnoff. The color scheme that matches your desired aesthetic, and spin the wheel to see how much you could save. Is that more or less what we want to say? So the first one kind of sets up, hey, we have this idea wheel where you can spin it. You can spin it as many times as you want. You get deals, and none of these deals are exclusive to the deal wheel. You can just find them on the website. Silly me. Then the next one is, what can you win? Well, we have to make room for new things, so these are things that will no longer be available in the near future. Choose a category and a color scheme that matches your desired aesthetic, and spin the wheel to see how much you could save. If you're like, yo, this sounds fun as hell, then gently smash that subscribe button. And get your gamble on in the safest. Let's zoom in here so I can see safest, most responsible way possible. And then we want that to be 32, right? Wasn't it 32? On the other one? Did I do something weird? Didn't we make it 32? Okay. Okay, what were you doing? Huh? That's good. Whoa. That needs to be right there. What could you win on the IKEA deal wheel? What if I need to add 2 more of those to make it really dramatic? Censor it again. So those are like touching. Then there should be 64. 162 is weird, but it's actually, I'm basing it off of that. I wanted it closer there. We could move that button. We definitely will. Oh my god. More coffee, everybody. I haven't cracked myself up like that in a minute. Stupidest thing ever. Alright. This is still way too close, you know. We're like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. None of these other ones are masked, are they? I don't think so. That hurts. That hurts a bit. Maybe I could just group those and throw those on top. This one's not masked either. God damn it. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. So we don't have to do a ton of work later. That. Remember how we're trying to stay organized. Remember. That's actually, forget it. We'll get, oh my god. Maybe we won't forget it. People don't forget. All right, yeah, we'll just grab this whole thing and drag that over. Shit, you know, that's not even a frame. What are we doing? What are we doing with our lives? Let's auto layout this. Come on, is there anything inside this that's gonna get immediately fucked? Not really, I don't think. We could just keep it centered, but maybe later down the line we will want that. So we're just gonna say base template. We're gonna group that again. Again, this is gonna be like base template or something. And then we're gonna auto layout that. And that's a frame. So now, there's gotta be a better way to do that, but that's how I'm gonna do it. Now we copy this frame over, and the reason that it is important that it is a frame instead of just a rectangle on that main part was for prototyping. I think it needs to be a frame. I could be mistaken there, but I don't think it would just work with like a group as the top layer that isn't a frame. I don't know. Maybe it would. Maybe it would work just fine. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We're here to play around, you know. We're here to play around. So this is masked, yes. Base template. Oh, I wanted that open. Do I want this open? Yeah, that's all masked, I do believe. So we'll see if that makes a difference when we are in prototype in a bit. So let's, I should have grouped all this before I. Should have definitely grouped all that. And then we're gonna group all of this. Come on, scroll correctly, bud. You got it. Control G, this is gonna be page content. Control C. Can I just paste to replace? Paste to replace? No. Control Z. Control Z. Let's do this instead. I think it pasted it to all those separate items. Just paste here, I guess. Sure. Is that where we had it? Was it centered? I don't think it was. Let's see how high. 126. That doesn't make any fucking sense, but all right. We'll just do it for now. We'll fix spacing later. So transition button again for sure. And then this has got to be blank. Cool. And then let's grab that, and delete it. And then really same for that, I guess. The one that's blank should really be base template, but whatever. Say that they're all base template, it's fine. All right, so now we have plenty of workspace here. So, you know, you're gonna transition here, get a blank screen. This is gonna fade up after a slight delay. You're gonna hit the transition button. Again, get greeted with a fade out to nothing, fade into something after a time, and now we're gonna say see. Let's copy pasta. Just seeing if I wanted to copy both of those. Actually, I probably do. Why is that down there? Oh, auto layout? Is that, are you still a thing? Why did you, god damn it. There we go. We're not trying to mess with that. We're really not. We just want to center our thing and be done. Center. And then center on that. Can I not? What do you mean I can't? Whatever. Alright, we'll just do our best. We'll make do. There we go. Wait, no. Did I mess that up? There it is. 587 on both sides. It's centered. It was 126. Weirdest spacing. I don't know why it's like that. We'll clean it up later. We could do it easily now, but set up your ideal Set up your ideal IKEA deal wheel. And drag that over to center. And again, hey, it stayed. Awesome. Okay, so then we want text over here that's like category, yo. Category. We want that to be 32 maybe. And maybe semi-bold. Stop. Okay, for real though, why does that always set it in there? We just want to be, oh, there it is. Category. Then we're gonna have like a box, a little box. And then we'll add a stroke to it, but we want our stroke to be like that purple color. Maybe add a like 2 pixel stroke. And then interior we want to be $16, close enough. All right, interior fill, I want to be that color. Perfect. For now. And then I'll group these two things together. I thought. This is gonna be category. Drop down. And then I'll also want a color drop down, I do believe. No, fucking quit it. Stop asking me that. If I want it in auto layout, I will tell you. I've made this very kind of complicated on myself. All right. Category, color, and then let's grab our transition button again. Just paste it in, it's fine. Whoa, what are you doing down there, bud? You crazy guy? Get up here. We actually need you. And then I need to find out how far it is from the bottom. 193. I'm a genius at spacing. Okay, that'll be in the same place when we're scrolling across. This will be in the same place when we're scrolling across. Hate for those buttons to warble on me. I don't want them to warble. Let's do... I don't want it to hug, I want it to be fixed, and then I want to come in here and say fixed and fixed. Center it and then call it spin to win. Spin to win. Because we're just being dumb. So then that'll happen. I need this base template copied over again. And then this one gets wild. Background scrolly thing. Gonna move way the hell over here. We want it to be about right there, probably. Yeah, that's probably good. Whoa. So let's see. I want to go. That, I think, right? Scroll, have this text pop up. And then if I control V, paste. Oh shit, that's not what I wanted. Oh wait, kind of is. It kind of is. It pasted the button. 196, right? Something like that. Oh, wait. I think that's where I want it to be. 196 or something. Is that where it's supposed to be? Because it still feels like it is trying to not be in the right place. I'll just move it over here, that's fine. And then I wanted it to be... It is 193. I would have guessed wrong for sure. Huh. Why is it doing that? That's background above the scrolly thing. Okay, it's it. Like 189, I think. 193. Fine. Spin now. Okay. So then how did that happen? Am I that stupid? Control C. And then I just want to paste this on base canvas. It won't let me. It won't let me. Coming way over here. There we go. Red day. Italic? No. Whenever you're ready. So those are 24 and regular, and then 32. 24 regular. Didn't we already figure? God damn it. Why am I so bad? There we go. Okay. 138, and it's supposed to be like 126, I think. Whenever you're ready, spin that wheel. Spin now. And then... so it fades to that. And then this is the actual spin. So let's just kind of... it seems like a lot, but it won't be. No, we don't want that. We don't want that backspace. So we want this over here. Wait, what the hell? Why are you over there? This is our base template. So we're gonna go over here, on click, navigate to that. We want it to be, you know, like 300 milliseconds. Dissolve. This is also gonna be a what the fuck? Why can't I prototype that? Okay. So this is button. It's just not called button. Why can't I interact with that though? What the hell? What the actual hell? Okay, let's try. I don't want the interaction programmed on this though. Paste to replace. That should give me a prototype interaction. There we go. Actually want that to go there. On click. What do you mean none? I don't understand. I don't understand. There should be an interaction detail right there. Is it because it's not a component? It's a frame though, like you should be able to... What the hell? For real, I don't understand. So what is different about this? Base template, the button right there. There we go. How is this different? It's the same button. I still can't prototype that, huh? You guys, I've no idea why I can't prototype that. Frame 10. I mean, it's a frame. Is there any reason at all I can't prototype that? I can now. Okay, so frame 10, I need to be inside of base template somehow. Fuck. I don't know how to do that. Let's see here. Wait, frame 10 is now inside that? No. Jesus. Okay, that one is down. Let's close everything else. They're all called base templates, so it's gonna be really friggin' difficult to figure out which one I need. So it's above that. Let's go all the way down. All right, so I don't know why that happened. Now we have a prototyping button. So that one goes to there, right? And it's a click. On click, goes there, dissolves, ease in and out, 30 milliseconds. This, same thing. On click, dissolve, ease in out, 300 milliseconds. On this, I don't know what you're doing. I want you to go, god damn it. I want you to go over here. There you go. Right? Shit. Nope. Nope. God. There we go. On click. Why not on click? On click, navigate to, there we go, dissolve, 300 milliseconds. This is getting so wonky. Okay. This guy, I don't want an on click. I want on click right here to go over and say, yeah, dissolve. No. Yeah, dissolve. Smart animate. Smart animate. That's probably going to be the same, I think. Well, let's just try dissolve. Then Can I set that to trigger that way though? Let's see. Okay, so I want this to fade into this. Oh no, after delay of 400 milliseconds. Navigate to that base template. I don't know what flow 2 is. Is that what is fucking this up? So flow 2, let's see here. Sure. Then there. Yep. Then there to there. This is so confusing. So that is there. This one already has a program. Nice. This one goes over to here. Not back. I don't want it to go back. Sure. Dissolve after delay. I want that delay to be 400 milliseconds. And this is going to be the big one. Let's see here. After delay, transition there. I want this to be a smart animate, and I want this to take 10 seconds to get to there. And then from there, I want it to... What the fuck is flow 4? What is flow 3? What is this bullshit? How do you remove... Oh, god damn. I have no idea why there's so many flows. How do I remove that? Oh no. Oh no. After a delay of... Oh shit. Not 1.5. I want it to be 1.0500. Yeah, smart animate. I want it to dissolve actually. After no, 300. And then that goes to their base template. I want to come over here. How, for real though, I don't know why there's so many prototype flows. How do we change that? That's crazy. Never meant for that to happen. Maybe we just drag flow 3 and 4 down to things that we don't need? What do you do there? So then this is gonna be on click. No. Do I want this one? Let's see. So we want that to fade out to text after a few seconds. Let's do one more after delay. 300 milliseconds. And then it's just gonna... I think I need it to be on... I guess it doesn't matter. Let's see. Ease in and out. What is this? A 10-second scroll? 10-second. God damn. Let's see what happens if we come up here and say prototype. Why are there so many flows? How did that happen? Fit to screen, fit to screen. There we go. That's not ideal. Set up your ideal IKEA deal wheel. Category, color, spin to win. That took way too long. That took way too long. That's maybe not the thing I wanted to do. I wanted it to take 2 seconds. 3 seconds? I think I wanted it to take 3 seconds, right? Let's see here. $1,500 milliseconds, okay. Also, what's up with this one not showing up? Oh, that page content is not even in. Which base template is this? That's why it didn't show up. $123, I'm pretty sure. That's fine. Okay, let's try that again. Let's try that again. Okay, so then we should be able to go boop. Can we not? Oh. Whoa, why did that take so long? What the hell's happening right now? Like, I have that programmed, right? That's the right thing. Also, let's see here. Is this... That got to there in a snappy time. Prototype. How long did this one take? 300 milliseconds. Oh, you know what? After 1,500 milliseconds. There we go. That should be better. And then after delay, I'm not actually sure I needed that one. Let's try, if I just do this, it should just work. When I hit W, it should scroll, and I'm not really sure why it's not scrolling. Or not W. That would explain why it's not scrolling, but let's try. I just want to grab one of these, drag it over, drag an artboard behind it, and see why this isn't working. Is this it's S and then S. So, I mean, it should work. It should just work. I cannot explain to you. This doesn't have the giant sphere on the back of it, or not sphere, giant square. It resets. That's weird. Maybe we just... Okay, let's remove these. Come up here to this and say variant. I know there's a variant in here, right? Prizes. Where's my long prize list? Oh, do I not have it in there? Is that really? Huh. Is that our problem? It's not. Let's actually rig it up real fast. So we want this to go up here when we press S. We want it to smart animate. Maybe that was the problem. And then we want it 10 minutes, ease in and out. Perfect. So then what I want to do is grab this design, Control C, and then say for prizes, I want it to paste to replace. For prizes again. Paste to replace. I actually need to do it to all of them. Paste to replace. Paste to replace. This base template now, paste to replace. Does it even have it on there? Oh yeah. Paste to replace. It shouldn't matter too much on these earlier ones. Paste to replace. But I do want them all to be the same so I don't have any weird issues. Paste to replace. Prizes, paste to replace. And then last one, prizes, paste to replace. Okay, so God's willing, we should get some decent results here. None of this looks classy like we want, but that's pretty cool. Spin that wheel now, and then I can hit S. Dope. Dope. And then we don't have anything after that to be like, you did it! That's pretty cool. I feel like that was a lot of prototyping for just an experiment, but I like it. I like it a lot. At least the sliding motion over and then that is really cool. I like it. I like it. So, like basically from here on out, I like this. Prototype. See what happens. Does it change on its own after a time? It does. Let me switch it to this one so that I can fit it to screen before it does that. Really don't know why that's being such a problem today, but spin to win. That slide over. Oh, it's so clean. Let me try one thing here, because when it slides over, I don't think I want it to take quite as long. Right here, whoa, after, oh, that's what, after delay. We'll change that to 300 milliseconds as well. And then let's just try it one more stinking time. All I want is that text to kind of pop up faster once we get there. Fit to screen. That's better. Bada bing, bada bing, bada bing! I think that's a fun prototype. I think that's pretty fun. It's really good. So that was day 2. That is day 2 on our IKEA project. So we took day 1, kind of had some wireframes, really enjoyed our third wireframe. As we went, we kind of stayed organized, and today we further organized by creating styles and names for all of these. I'm pretty sure we added shadow styles for all of these as well. Didn't we? Let's go in here. Design, does that say shadow style anywhere on it? Yeah, shadow 1 all the way to shadow 8. Good deal. So yeah, we made styles for all of those. We haven't made text styles yet. We probably could out of this, like what we have here, because I like all of those sizes that we have there so far. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, we've got this fun little, I love that scrolly wheel. It's really fun. Let's just check out that prototype scrolly one more time. You know? It's a fun little slot machine animation. I love it. Whee! Boom! You won! We'll be gambling at IKEA in no time. But awesome, you guys. This is gonna wrap it up for me today. I actually have some work I need to get done. But we'll be back in the morning furthering these designs, fixing some texts, getting that organized in a better way. I'm pretty happy with where we are right now on this though. I think it looks pretty sharp. I'll have to figure out how to... We already had it working a little bit with that opacity layer that covered your winnings. Maybe we don't even need that, but we'll need a frame that really displays what you won, and then a little pop-up that's like, hey, this is the item you won, this is how much that item cost, and stuff like that. So it could be really fun, you guys. So thank you again for hanging out, going on this journey for me. If you've been enjoying the content, feel free to subscribe to the channel. You might even be the first one. That'd be crazy. And yeah, we'll keep rolling along. I think for the time being, we'll try to keep streams at about 11 a.m. Mountain Time. But if those change or anything, I'll just go live when I can. So click that notification bell if you want to be here when I go live, because it might change. I don't know. But 11 a.m. is pretty safe. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good rest of your Tuesday. It's Tuesday, right?